Hello students, welcome to my channel. So today we are going to study about the transduction. Transduction was discovered by Chinder and Lederberg in Salmonella typhimurium. Now see class, this is the bacteriophage. Bacteriophage is a virus which infects bacteria. And this is your bacteria. Genetic material of bacteria, and this is genetic material of virus. So this bacteriophage is infecting the bacteria. Then what will happen? We will observe that, see carefully, the genetic material has entered inside the bacteria. After some time, what changes we are observing? We are observing that the genetic material of virus is becoming the part of the genetic material of the bacteria. It is living in this way. So we say actually virus is performing one cycle that is known as lysogenic cycle. Virus is performing lysogenic cycle, but bacteria is performing transduction. Understood? So this is not the cycle of the bacteria. Okay, please. This is performed by virus. So virus is performing lysogenic. So it means the virus is becoming a part of this. Now after some time, after few generations, what we will observe, suppose it gets separate. So when it gets separate from the bacteria, it will start producing its many copies. So virus will produce many copies. This is a normal rule. But in case of transduction, see the board carefully. See, I am drawing this diagram outside, this one. Actually, normally, this was the normal condition which I have shown it here. So normally, if you see, only virus genetic material is separating. But here in this case, in transduction, it is separating from here, and by mistake, it separates from here. Are you understanding? So as a result, inside the bacteria, if you will see inside the bacteria, you will find the virus is carrying the genetic material of bacteria also along with them. See, this way they are carrying it. Are you understanding the diagram up till here? And many protein coats are going on. This is right now they are making their own particles. And finally, we will find they will do the assembly of their components inside the bacteria. Many virus particles will be produced. Along with this, they are bringing the genetic material of the bacteria, and this bacteria will go for bursting. Bacteria will burst and this virus particle will be released. You can see the diagram here. I'm trying to show it here. See carefully. This is the bacteriophage now, which is bringing the genetic material of its own as well as the genetic material of the first bacteria. Okay, up till here, is it clear? So this is the bacteriophage, which is bringing the genetic material of bacteria. Now let us assume it is infecting another bacteria. This is your second bacteria. This is the genetic material of second bacteria. It is infecting. Let us again see how it is working. It will send its entire genetic material inside. It has entered. See, this has entered. Now it is going to perform again lysogenic cycle in this bacteria. So see the board. So if you see carefully, if you analyze, this is the genetic material of, let us assume this was B bacteria. The genetic material of B bacteria, and this is black color. This is the genetic material of A bacteria. So isn't the genetic material is transferred from one bacteria to another bacteria with the help of virus? Isn't it? So that is why this method in which they are using the agent as a virus to transfer their genetic material, we call this method as transduction. Understood? Now see the entire summary, check carefully. This is your A bacteria, okay? This was your A bacteria. Virus has entered. Normally this process will happen, okay? Don't get confused, please. This is a normal process. But we are studying the transduction. So transduction means we have to focus this side. We have to focus on this side. So it is separating and it is making the virus particles, and these virus particles are bringing their own genetic material along with the genetic material of A bacteria, and then they are infecting the B bacteria. This is B bacteria. So finally, the genetic material of A has reached to the B. So see the board, we can draw this diagram separately here. This is the genetic material of B bacteria, this is genetic material of virus, and this is the genetic material of A bacteria. Is it clear? So here the virus is being used to transfer the genetic material. So this method is known as transduction. So gene recombination is brought with the help of the virus, and this method is transduction. I hope this has helped you to understand. This video has helped you to understand how the viruses are transferring the genetic material, or they are bringing the genetic material of one bacteria to another bacteria. In the comment box, I have mentioned the link. Please go and give a try to the questions to improve your concept and to understand the theory, what I have explained today in the video. Thanks for watching, class. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel.